Signal was a test of the new weather radio all-hazards station KEC85 public warning system. This test is conducted between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a risk of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the alarm tone will vary at any given location. This alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: Beaufort, Bryan, Bullock, Chatham, Effingham, Jasper, Liberty, and Scruton. This concludes the weekly test of the new weather radio all-hazards station KEC85 by the National Weather Service Office in Charleston, South Carolina.